Yo, what's up, bro? Episode 4 of the series. Okay, how to get your car built in Dubai. We're gonna talk about the exhaust. Bro, here in the whole, as a country, as a whole, exhaust modification is not allowed. So just so you know already. So disclaimer, I'm not encouraging anyone to do that. However, in Dubai you can, in the Emirates of Dubai, you can go away with it a little bit. Alright, but when you go for your annual inspection, just to let you know, they might fail your car. Car will test it and see emission and all this stuff. It's more about noise. Okay? So if it's noisy, it's a no-no. You're disturbing people, noise pollution, blah 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 blah. So borderline stuff, very loud. I'm telling you right now. So unless you get one that's certified apparently from some guys like Fox, there is Fox here in Dubai, they do this thing. You can go to FOS. I've never dealt with them, heard good stuff about them. People are highly recommending those guys. And again, they're quite pricey, but you pay for the quality. All right, so I'm not gonna bash them. I'm also going to deal with them in the future, that's for sure. All right, at some point. Now what I did to mine, when I got my car, there are a lot of shops, like people from Bangladesh and stuff like that. They have shops here and they do exhaust work, radiator and all the stuff, and AC work. Okay, I went to one. I'm not gonna recommend. You can go to anyone you want and bargain the price. They will I'll sell you an aftermarket one. Okay, there's a couple of them, aftermarket silencer, they call it silencer. Okay, there's a lot of drones when you install this one. It's not only because it's loud, it's drony, my bro. You will ride the car and you're like, oh, I don't know if you know what drone is. I never knew it before until I installed mine. No, what the fuck, I cannot, bro. This is too much. All right, so just to be clear, I ended up removing it, putting my stock one in, and then I modified my stock one at the end. I'm still not very happy with the noise, but it's kind of okay. It's there. Okay, except from that, if you want to do that, I advise you to go for a good system. All right, the one that goes with the remote, people will tell you can get the one what is that, Skytronic, or can't remember, there is a name for that, the one with the remote controller, you know, Valvetronic. Yeah, there we go. If you want to go Valvetronic, yeah, all right, for the police it's fine, but for the passing, again, you'll have to remove it and put your original one on, just so if they pass the car, once you get out, go again and do it. So there's a lot of money involved. You pay fees and charges and stuff like that, so bear in mind this will cost you money. All right, my bro, take care, see you on the next one. Cheers.